How you doing? I'm Roy over the hill. You know, it's such a nice summer day, I really didn't feel like spending it in the wood shop. I'm trying to think of something new to do. Maybe a new hobby. You know, I hear some birds chirping around here. I thought about taking up bird watching. What do you think? Let's give it a shot. Let's see if we can go out and find some birds. I don't see any birds in here. Try over there. Well, I know I filled this a week ago or so and it's empty, so I'm thinking we have birds. But I just don't know where they're at. I hear them, but I don't see them. Let's try over there. Well, this here's a hummingbird feeder, and I don't see any hummingbirds either. And you know why hummingbirds hum? They don't know the words. You know, this bird watching's a lot harder than I thought it would be. I should probably call my buddy, Tim. He's an expert on birds, and maybe he could give us some advice. I'll go give him a buzz. Yeah, Tim, how you doing? You know, trying to take up bird watching today, and I'm not really having much luck. You know, maybe you can give me some advice? Yeah? Oh, a book. What kind of book? Bird book. Good thinking. What else? A pair of binoculars. Well, there you go. Hey, goodbye, Tim. I gotta go. A book and binoculars. I'll grab them, and we'll go see if we can find some birds. Thanks a lot. Bye. Picked up my Audubon book. It's the Audubon Society Field Guide for North American Birds. It's the one Tim was talking about. Got pictures of tons of birds in here. I think we're armed with a good pair of binoculars. And it's time to go find some birds. Let's see what we can do. No luck. Still not seeing any birds. I figured the binoculars would help a lot in the book. But it's really no good. Let's go back over here and try the feeder. Nope. You know, there's got to be a better way. I like birds, but you know, I have an idea. You know what I come up with as an idea? What if we watch fake birds? I mean, it would be a lot simpler. I happen to have a few fake birds in my yard, and I think we can set up a little thing here and watch a little fake birds. Let's go get our chair and relax a little bit. Alright, this is more like it. I got a cold beer. I got a pelican right here in front of me. You don't have to be quiet. You can sit here and watch this bird all day long. Crack open a beer. Put it in a glass. And we can watch birds all afternoon like this. And you don't have to be quiet. And you don't have to sneak up on them. Oh yeah. Can't beat it, folks. You can't beat this. The pelican. It's not a North American bird, but we'll take what we can get. And look, we don't have to be even very quiet. Shh. Be very quiet. It's a seagull. Fake seagull. Let's go watch them. Seagull's not in the book. Look how close I am to the seagull. Never moves. Let's go out in the yard and see what else we can find. Whoops. Don't want to forget the beer. Alright folks, this is really rare. It's a balsa wood parrot. I forget where we got this, but he's here in the yard now, and I think it's worth watching. Let's go see the parrot. Very colorful. Once again, not in the book. Well, you know, it's not real bird watching, but it's something you can do in your spare time. We just call it fake bird watching. Artificial bird watching. And I'll tell you what, it tires you out after a while. Because these birds don't do a lot. Alright, let's go over here and see if we can find some more birds. I have a place in the yard here. It's real comfortable, lay back, sit around and see what comes up. You know, folks, after a long day of bird watching, I like to sit down and have a few beers. I mean, even though it was artificial bird watching, I think we still had a pretty good time. I think if we keep our eyes peeled, you know, some birds could show up. So, I'm Roy over the hill. We'll catch you next time on the Woodwright Shop. Woodwrong Shop. Aha! Got you on that one. Good to pick up your garbage when you're done. There we go. Oh.